Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crush Repair Center. Again, we have a very beautiful project at the moment. It's a Nissan Skyline GT-R R34. So as you can see now, the car, it's on the oven. It's being fillered up already. Graduated filler as well, we're done because to prevent some sinkage, and then whatever need to rectify it is being done. It's being masked as well. This is the other quarter panel. So now ready to primer the car. They're making it ready for action. So yeah, now you will see when we primer it how it looks like as well. So got some filler here, some filler there. That's it, that's ready now. So now as you can see, car's being primed already. All around the window screen, that's all been done perfectly, nicely. Here of course when we rub it down we have to put the sealer, small tiny nice on the edges. All proper primed, covered properly everywhere, wherever we gone bare metal, even here under the side skirt. This side same, all been covered. Roof very nice and smooth primer, so when we rub it down it will be easy to rub down, not orange peely and takes a lot of time. And so this is the result of the primer at the moment. All around the front, under the window screen as well, it's been done perfectly. Even here as well, that's all gone bare metal and primed. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so now the car is being prepped, masked, and we have done wet and wet primer. Any scratched we missed, whatever we didn't see. So basically we do the wet and wet. It will be put us on the safe side. And now we finished base coat. Of course that color is bayside blue. It's a 3-stage pearlescent. So this is the body, that's the quarter panel, this is the roof. And as you know guys, that car, sorry, it's going to be in 2 color. So of course the passenger side going to be bayside blue, and the near side it's going to be midnight purple 3. Door from inside as well is being done perfectly nice. All the seal, the door shut, and one of the side skirt is being done, and backlight cover. Of course the rear panel has been done all here, so we're gonna fade it later on. So now we have to put the clear coat, and then we're gonna start to apply next time, of course next day or the day after, we need to start applying the midnight purple 3. The reason is we need to put the clear coat now. God forbid if something happen, we do any mistake when we fade it, so at least we can wipe it, we can clean it. But on the paint we can't mess about it. So that's why we have to put a clear coat now. this is the rear panel. That's the quarter panel. Tailgate shot here. And this is the roof. Door shuts. That's the wing. And then this is the door. Door shut from inside. That's all done. So we finished the side. Now we have to do the bits of pieces, which is the bonnet, 2 bumpers, and the tailgate. Basically, this is the very light coat. Here there is no coat yet, but we've done it from inside as well. Light coat. This is light coat. Inside light coat as well. And this is the bumper as well, light coat. As you can see, just half. So now the job has been completed. Bayside blue, primer, and then of course we lacquered it as well. That's the bonnet, has been lacquered. And then is ready for the Midnight Purple 3 to be applied, so we can do proper nice fade. That's the bumper as well. We have to put the clear coat before we apply the Midnight Purple 3. So basically now we put the rear bumper against the tailgate. So when we put the Midnight Purple for fading, it has to be lined up right on the middle, exactly the same side. So it has to be this way. Otherwise, we don't want any out of line or whatever. It has to be exactly the same line, same length. And this is the bumper, front bumper, and the bonnet. So as well, we put them against each other. So when we put the Midnight Purple and we fade it, will look exactly the same. It has to be this way. We got no other choice.